Toss this in here.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close it. Close it. Close it. That's gross. That's how you get stick, Gigi. That's how you get stick. That's how you get stick. Who else are you opening your mouth for to take in their germs, Gigi? Huh?
Just you. I would only take your germs. I swear.
What about Cece?
I would never take her germs. She's a robot.
What about
she has
Crony?
no germs.
What about Crony?
Ooh.
Crony? Would you open your mouth to take in Crony's germs?
No.
All right, I don't like that response. I don't like that.